moment of truth.
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house. Now on it.
I ordered some things from Amazon and they're here right now, so I'm going to open this box up and show you what I got. What's this? Oh, so I'm going to attempt a very big DIY. I'm going to try and paint my room. Not today, not this week, but I'm going to paint my room soon. So I decided to buy my materials in advance. So I've got my paint roller set and I have extra large dust sheets. I'm going to lay it on the floor, and probably, because I know I won't be able to move out most of the furniture in my room, so I'm going to use these sheets to line it up, and then my floor and everything. This is the paint that I got for my room. It's already kind of leaking. I'm going to try and place it somewhere safe so it won't leak. Hopefully it should be enough for my room. This is the last bit of my orders. I got a bunch of supplements and vitamins that I need. And now I'm going to clear this up. My vlog is currently posting on YouTube, so I have to keep my phone with me at all times. Hi, so I've got this mini project that I've been wanting to do. Basically, I'm going to move my hoodies and jackets that I have in my drawer to my mom's wardrobe, because that's what children do. They occupy their parents' space. So I'm going to intrude her space, and I bought like 2 sets of wooden hangers for my jackets. I'm going to transfer them to her own wardrobe so I have enough space in my drawer. This jumper right here is a 2-piece set, so I'm going to just put the bottoms with the top so I don't forget it and it's like stretched out and in one place. But other than that, I think I'm fine with these ones. I'm going to chuck the remaining ones inside the drawers. I'm not going to deal with this today at all because I'm cooking, but this is what I needed to do to get started on the move, and I'm happy that I've been able to do it. So this is what it looks like. I can't completely open up the wardrobe because there's like a box here, but it's very accessible. Like I can reach into it and grab my jackets anytime I want. But yeah, so this is what it looks like, and it's way better and much more organized. So yeah. parcel just came in while I was cooking. This is apple cider vinegar. So I got 2 bottles of apple cider vinegar, the one with the mother. I like how secure it's packaged, but it's a pain when you're trying to do things fast. Oh, it's quite easy to open actually. Oh, so I got the my voice. So I got the Ariana Grande Mood Vanilla perfume, and I also got the Marc Jacobs Dot perfume. Also, this tote bag came with the parcel. I think it's an Ariana Grande fragrances, so a bag, which is cute. I thought it was going to smell like perfume, but it doesn't. So yeah, that's it for my mini haul. I'm going to get rid of these boxes now and run back to my kitchen to check on my chicken. That's nice. I'll see you guys later. So I am directly in the sunlight, but it's fine, it's just for a few seconds. I just had my bath after that stressful and hectic cooking session. So I'm just going to quickly tell you guys what I think about the perfume. I'm going to start with the Marc Jacobs one. So this is the Marc Jacobs Dot perfume, and the bottle is so pretty. I'm not even like doing a proper job at unboxing or anything like that, but it's so pretty. How does it? Oh, okay. It's actually really nice. It's very light, fruity, floral. Yeah, something along the lines of that. Now this one I'm very excited about because I'm obsessed with vanilla, and this one's the Ariana Grande 2-Day Perfume Natural Spray. I really love the packaging a lot, and it looks like a decorative piece, so that's why I like it. I knew it. Vanilla is always going to top it for me. It smells really nice. I really like it. Marc Jacobs one, I think I'm going to like it over time. It's one of those perfumes anyways. But I am currently under the sun. The sun is like hitting me inside my own room, so I'm done with that. Just wanted to let you guys know how this was, and I'll see you guys when I see you. Probably going to end the vlog here because I realized that it's getting long and I'm going to start a new one. So thank you all for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.